The turnout that we had actually, I think, was better this year in numbers of people. Last year, we just built a new facility, so we had kind of a grand opening and a show, a little expo for our customers. And we like to do this every year. We call it our open house, but we do it for to bring our customers in. People from the community are welcome if they want to come in and see what we're doing. But that's what we like to do, and of course, we showcase all of the different models of the Pierce fire trucks and it's usually very good for business for us, too.
Well, we sell Pierce fire apparatus, and we service all types of fire apparatus. And Pierce is a brand of fire apparatus, just like Chevrolet or Ford would be a brand of automobiles. We have a full-service facility here, which we are able to do Pennsylvania state inspections on the vehicles. We do complete repairs, water tank replacements, body work. We have a body shop that we can use for paint repairs and accident repair damage. So we do a full line of repairs. We also do pump testing, aerial testing, all on site here. We have a fully stocked parts department, and if we don't have it in stock, we can generally get it in a fairly quick amount of time.
Well, actually started selling fire trucks part-time for a dealer that was in eastern Pennsylvania, and did that for a few years, and then had the opportunity to start our own business. And we did that. My wife and I started the business in 1987, so we're actually celebrating our 20th year this year.
Well, Pierce Manufacturing was developed in 1913. Since then, they've grown, and we have two separate plants in Appleton, Wisconsin. We also have a facility in Florida, and we also have a service facility in Wyawega, Wisconsin. We employ about 1,800 people and do about 1,800 trucks a year. Now, the products that Pierce makes is a broad variety of products. We can do anything from mini pumpers to command units, aerial products, rear mount pumpers, top mount pumpers, pretty much anything needed within the fire industry for our municipalities. This year we have the PUC product. PUC stands for Pierce's Ultimate Configuration. Going into detail, what that means is Pierce has developed its own pump, 1500 GPM single stage pump, which is placed directly behind the cab to provide more cabinet space and maneuverability. And the reason we did that is because a lot of the fire departments in all of the United States are demanding that not only can a truck pump, but it can also have carry a wide variety of equipment to suit their needs. Glick is important because they provide us two top quality facilities in the Pennsylvania area, obviously serving Pittsburgh and all the surrounding areas, and providing good customer service is what really makes Pierce strive as a company.
Up the lock and move it. Okay. And under pressure, it's like fair. Okay. Okay. It's all positive locks with worm gears and so forth.
Well, Akron is just not just a water flow company anymore. Akron has diversified and become a company that's dealing with generators, lights, even emergency warning lights now. We used to be just a water flow company. Now we've gotten a more broader range for more choices for fire departments. They'd be interested in nozzles, monitors, portable lighting, portable generators. I have a complete display vehicle behind me that kind of samples our products.
We're located out of Orrville, Ohio. It's a little bit south of Akron. We are a manufacturing plant of about 300 people. We have a contract manufacturing division that does work for Caterpillar and Diebold, and then a mass division. We put mass on news channel vans, fire trucks. We have a lighting division for fire trucks, command centers, and any other surveillance or mobile applications. These lights were designed for fire trucks. They need for scene lighting. It's just a great way to get scene lighting for accidents where there's no light. We have different options. We have what's called the Night Scan Chief. It's our lower end model designed for chief vehicles, SUVs. We have a DC version that can be operated by just the vehicle's AC, alternator and battery capabilities. We can put up to 3,600 watts of light on those. You need some sort of generator or inverter for those. We also have our power lights, which go up to 15 feet. It's a fold-down unit. We can go up to 9,000 watts on those. And then we have vertical towers. You can go up to 30 feet and put 9,000 watts on those.
Okay, what we do is we produce cross-lay protectors, hose bed covers, specialty covers for fire trucks. Compartment protectors protect the side of your truck for scratches, things of that nature whenever you're loading and unloading from your compartments. Hose bed protectors would keep the hose onto your truck, keep the hose from getting dirty, things of that nature. Cross-lay protectors, speed-lay protectors keep the hose from being deployed inadvertently off the side of your truck. It's a safety feature. And that's basically the realm of what I do. Also specialty covers in trays, compartments, things of that nature.
The Glick sponsorship came about last year. We seen one of his sponsors, a sponsored drag car in a magazine several years back. And being in the fire department in Castle Shannon and Glick selling Pierce fire trucks sort of came together. And I finally got up the nerve to talk to Dave Glick at Glick Fire Equipment to see if he would still sponsor race cars. And he said he'd be happy to talk to us. And formulated a pretty good relationship at the time, and he came through, and he is a major sponsor on the car last year and definitely this year. The racetrack that we race at is located at the Noblestown exit, just off of 22, out near the Greater Pittsburgh Airport. It's called the Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania Motor Speedway. It's just a hair over half mile big and just under 5/8. It's a dirt track. It's pretty good banked. We gather up some speeds. Somewhere, I guess, somewhere says 110 or so. I'm not really sure. There's not a speedometer in there.
Our company is Smart Power Systems, and we manufacture hydraulic-driven generators for fire apparatus. I've been doing that since 1995, and we have generators from 5.5 through 30 kW. And we've been supplying all the truck manufacturers, so we're available through any new fire truck, and we're very compact, lightweight. We have electronic controls, basically the Cadillac of the generators for fire apparatus. Hydraulic generators are more reliable, they're more compact, there's less moving parts, they're much easier maintenance. Very quiet, and space savings is the main advantage.
Federal Signal is a corporation comprised of about 25 different business units. The one that I'm affiliated with is the emergency lighting portion of it. Federal's been around for over 100 years, and we've graduated from washers and vacuums up to fire trucks and emergency lighting and outdoor warning systems now. So we're a pretty diversified company. What we're doing now is LEDs. That seems to be the market trend. Low current draw, better light output, and what we're doing a little different than everybody else in the marketplace is using a reflector system to spread the light out evenly across the front of the vehicle. What our lights do is give you better off-axis lighting, which helps protect the officers in intersections. We also manufacture the mechanical cue siren that most fire trucks have. We also do an electronic cue siren, which is pretty much standard in the fire industry now.
Standard Well, Elkhart Brass is a 104-year-old company located in Elkhart, Indiana. They manufacture firefighting equipment, brass nozzles, firefighting nozzles, valves, pretty much anything that water goes into on a fire truck. Well, we just developed a new valve for the apparatus market. It's our unibody valve. It is a bidirectional valve for the apparatus. It is new to the industry in a few ways. It's interchangeable with closing mechanisms. It has the capability of electrics to be added on easily. And we have our monitors, which are radio frequency, capable of operating up to a quarter of a mile away. Takes the operator off the top of the truck, keeps them on the ground where they need to be for safety. A lot of liability in these new apparatus. Getting people, up in the air is not a good thing. So we try to keep the firefighters on the ground, and they're able to operate the monitors from there. We have handline nozzles, automatic nozzles, fixed gallonage nozzles. So we have a wide variety of different nozzles for the fire departments. We also have a glow-in-the-dark bumper for our nozzles. We call it our glow nozzle, and we developed this to help the firefighters find the nozzle. Say they throw it down, in the battle of the fire. They're able to find the nozzle. If they get thrown from the hose, they can work their way back to the nozzle and work their way out to safety.